Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce y'all the new shit box added to the family. It, as you can see, is just a rusty old beat up truck with a wooden tailgate. Picked it up for a good price. Needs a little stuff here and there. It's got some rust, but it's a truck. Yeah, I'll show you all the inside. The door gets stuck, so hold on. Alright, got it open. A little rough, not bad, not bad. Go open up the other side. Let y'all see. And then I'll fire it up for you. It's got the nice little brush guard on the front. That's coming off, don't worry. Guess that needs fixed. I don't know where the other handle is. Huh. Hold on. Needs a good clean. Yeah, not too bad. For the price I paid, this is not bad at all. Like I said, the wooden bed will be the first thing to go. Even though it's not bad, but I want to put a real bed on it. I already have a different set of tires to put on. They're 33s. So let's go ahead and fire it up for you. I haven't gotten underneath it to look, but it's loud as shit. So I'm assuming either the mufflers are off or the cats are cut. Fires up good. Let's pop the hood. There goes my soda. Got a little belt squeak. That's no problem. Old 350 in it. Not too shabby. Alright guys, hopefully y'all will follow along with the progress of this truck. And I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do to it, but you know, slow and steady, slow and steady. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Peace.